Today we're going to talk about the 90-90 breathing exercise. You've probably already seen the exercise video for our 90-90 tempo breathing exercise, which is a little bit different than what we're talking about today. So the 90-90 tempo breathing, that's an exercise to get your body pumped up and work on training your diaphragm muscles and the connection between your hips, your spine, your shoulders, and your neck. What we're doing today is we're doing kind of same motion, but we're using it to get our body to relax after a hard training session. We're gonna get into a 90-90 position. This time we're gonna rest our calves completely on top of the bench, have a 90-degree angle in our knees and in our hips. So what this position does for you is that it will tip your hips up a little bit, so your hips, your spine, your rib cage is more neutral, so it actually helps you breathe more easily with your diaphragm, which will in turn help you relax faster when you do the breathing exercise. Then I'm gonna hold my hands slightly spread out across my belly with my two small fingers and over my rib cage with the rest of my fingers. And then I'm gonna breathe in through my nose and exhale through my nose as well. Focus on starting the motion down at my waistline and then moving all the way up to my chest while I'm inhaling. So imagine doing a wave with your breathing that starts at your waistline, moving slowly up through your belly, the bottom of your rib cage, and then up to the bottom portion of your chest. When we get to the rib cage portion, make sure that you expand your rib cage completely all the way around. So you don't just try to push the air straight up, but imagine you had a belt buckle strapped around your rib cage that you're trying to expand as you do your inhale. And then when you do the exhale, then imagine you're tightening the belt buckle again. So the tempo we're looking for here to calm our nervous system down and kickstart our recovery process is doing a 4-second inhale, holding our breath for 4 seconds, and then exhaling for 8 seconds, or at least for as long as our inhale was, and then holding our breath for 4 seconds again at the end. When we're repeating this pattern for a couple of minutes, then it will lower our blood pressure, it will get our nervous system into a rest and digest state, and kickstart your recovery process so you'll feel better immediately after your workout, and you'll recover quicker and get faster ready for your next workout or next thing you have to do that day.